What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about how to make your contact segments smarter in Drift. So there's a lot of opportunity in Drift to create some more specific conversations once you know more information around people. And one of the greatest things about Drift is you can start to see this information before you get an email address or before you actually get a name for a contact. So what I'm going to do in this tutorial is show you how to go in and explore opportunities for segmentation and then create some segments that could also be triggers for Drift chat or email playbooks down the road. Let's jump right in. So you can see what I've done here is I've gone into the Drift app and I have gone to the Contacts tab. And in the Contacts tab, you have the ability to filter out the contacts. And I'm going to show you a couple different fields that could be really compelling. So then what you can do is you can go into your filter for the contacts, you can choose the property tab, you can start to type refer, and you can find your recent refer URL. You can go into the contains tab, and you can paste in that URL. It's important to note, just remove the HTTPS out of this so that it just contains in the full URL of what you're trying to achieve. This makes it so that if the contact comes from a secured version or an unsecured version, the trigger will still go. So then you go ahead and click add filter. You'll see you'll have your segment of contacts. If we click save our dynamic segment, you can say referred by HubSpot agency page. And now what we have done is we've created a dynamic segment that will capture everyone who has a recent refer of the HubSpot agency partner page. So what we can do from here is a lot of things. We can dig in and we can start to trigger other chat playbooks from it. We can send out emails for people who have come through that area. And we can also start to look at where our refers are coming in, because we could start to trigger chat playbooks dynamically. So more about that in a different tutorial. But if you liked what you saw today, go ahead and subscribe over here. And of course, you can see other tutorials we've done right over here. Until next time, have a great day.